Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Well, today I'm just gonna do my makeup for the day, so I just decided that I will record. Just gonna go ahead and just go straight in with foundation, and for the foundation I'm gonna be using today is gonna be, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, but it's the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. So yeah, this is the one I'll be using. And I have mine in the color medium tan. I do like the way this moisturizer makes my face, my skin look. So yeah, that's why I like it. And then I'm gonna go in with this powder right here. This powder is like super soft, so I should probably go in with like, see how soft it is. I just like to like pat it where I know I'm gonna get the most greasy. I can't believe I poke my eyes with my finger, like, and my finger have freaking sunblock on too. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Today's already Saturday. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward me doing my makeup. I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna listen to music and just do my makeup. So yeah. guys, so I am pretty much done with my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it really quick. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Fix. And you guys know I love to overspray my face. I'm so excited about the lips because I ordered the Age collection with Carli Bybel in like Wednesday, so I got it in the day before I got back from Seattle. I did not even open it yet. It's still in the box right here in the package. I only got the lip kit. I didn't get the shadow or anything like that because I already have a lot of makeup, but then you can never have too much lip stuff. So it's such a coincidence because her and her boyfriend is like, they're Libras and Taurus, just like me and Rocky, where he's a Libra and I'm a Taurus. So it's so crazy that is what it is. And then of course comes in this cute little box like this. I'm so excited, you guys. So here it is. This is the Luna lip liner and the AI lip liner, and then the lippies, Libra, and of course Taurus. So I just thought that was so cute how they're like that. And open them up. This is so pretty. Like, this is so her. Like, I love Carli Bybel so much. She's like the first YouTuber that I ever subscribed to. So yeah, I just love her so much. I just remember when she did her, like, how she cuts her layers and stuff like that video. So I've been a fan since like way back when. So this one is in Luna. And Luna's like a brown, like a dark brown. You see it? My camera's like, that is going low too. And then this one right here is AI. It's a pinky. These are like my colors anyway, so I really love it. They're really creamy and pigmented. This is how it looks like. It's super pretty. Like, and it looks so luxe. Oh my god. Magnet. These are so freaking pretty and cute. Oh my gosh, look how nice it is. I don't even know if you guys can see the detail in the lipstick. So pretty. I don't even want to swatch it. This Libra. It's like a nice nude. And then this is Taurus. Oh my gosh. This is Libra. It's like a nice nude. This is Taurus. It looks like this. Taurus is more pink. So yeah, let me just do my lip really quick. They're super creamy. I really like them. Like, just swatches on my hand. So I'm going to use a darker lip liner, and I'm using the lip liner in Luna. It's so soft. And then I'm gonna use the, I think I'm gonna do Libra on my lips. It's so creamy and so nice. I'm just gonna line it a little bit more. This is so pretty. This is like my perfect nude. So here it is. This is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!